Hi Earthlings, I'm Trice, and in this video you'll learn the exact 3-step formula on how to raise your vibration instantly so you can make your manifestations come quicker and faster and you can be happier and richer. I did this and I saved over $100,000 and got exactly what I wanted instantly. This is the 3-step formula. Number 1, let go. Now, before you get scared, I don't mean let go of your dream. Don't mean let go of your specific person or your dream house or being rich. Else, what's the point, right? That's what I used to think letting go meant, was letting go of what you want. But that's not what it means. It means let go of how you're going to get what you want. And I'll tell you a small story. I had sold my apartment here in Manhattan, and I really wanted to buy a cute little fixer-upper in the middle of Manhattan. But prices were just ricocheting to the atmosphere. And anything, like a teeny shoebox, was over $1 million. So eventually I said, I'm just going to let it go and let the universe bring it to me. And I shifted my attention to renovating my husband's spa. I had enlisted the help of my BFF, and he happens to also be a real estate agent. So when we were laying the floor tiles, he was telling me about this brand new listing that he got, and how he was going to market it, how he was going to sell it. And I was like, well, maybe I might be interested in it. And he's like, I don't know, Trice. I said, let me come and see it. Long story short, I went and saw it. I offered the guy $100,000 below asking. So he was asking $565. I offered him $460, and he said yes. He said yes. And I am now, to this day, living in that cute little apartment. And to understand how unbelievably crazy this is, the medium sales price in Manhattan for a convertible 2-bedroom is almost $1 million, like $800,000. So if it can happen on an apartment in the middle of Manhattan, it can happen on anything that you are manifesting. So let go of the how. The second thing, when you let go of the how, is you want to exercise. And no, I'm not talking about let's go lose some weight, drudgery exercise. I'm talking let's get happy, let's have a good time, and let's exercise or move our body, shift our vibration. I have some watchers who can't move their body, and this is perfect for you too. What I do is I watch the Fitness Marshal. He will just put the biggest smile on your face. You can follow along mentally. It doesn't take very much time to do. You don't have to do it perfect, but if you feel like standing and moving your body and following the beats, you can do that also. And I'm telling you, after a 3-minute session with him, you will feel better. The last thing, you want to jump into the shower or the bubble bath and let all the resistance wash off your body. And it will, if you feel the water coming down and you say, I am letting go of resistance. I am letting go of resistance. And when you do this, you will feel a shift in your vibration. You will feel your vibration raise. And how you know your vibration is raised is if you feel better, if you're feeling happy, if you're feeling inspired. And once you start feeling inspired, then go back to the thing that you're manifesting. You will get inspired thoughts like, oh, let me Google this or let me look for that. From that place and from inspired action, rather than how can I get this done, you will make your manifestations come so much quicker and so much faster and so much more magical that you'll be wanting to do it all over again. So if this video helped you raise your vibration, please, please, please hit that like button. It makes me so happy and it really helps the algorithm. Till next time, my darlings, ciao!
Take it up, slow.